Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Tron at number 11, followed by Toncoin, Polkadot, Polygon, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, and it will Stellar Lumens at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Tron against BTC. Yeah, we've been going sideways. Seems like a consolidation. Breakout maybe. Yeah, feels like we could be breaking out. Look at this. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Breakout is imminent. Breakout is imminent. There's a resistance line over here, so I think Tron BTC could be heading higher. Tron against USDT. Here we are for Tron. So the thing for Tron against USD is we're still leaning bearish. Why? Yeah, this is a descending triangle, right? This is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. Descending triangles is a bearish chart pattern, but of course you can invalidate it by right. This is already invalidated because we've already taken out this high with this move, but we're still rising in a very weak manner. So I have a strange feeling that Tron could still be heading much lower, right? And so that's why we are standing by our 3 cents, 2 cents, and a 1.5 cent target for Tron. Although Tron BTC looks like it's about to break out towards the upside, but yeah, that's why right now in the markets, we are getting conflicting information. At one hand, we see plenty of bullish chart patterns, and on the other hand, we see also plenty of bearish chart patterns. So we're kind of in a dilemma at the moment, and so we are protecting our capital and being very, very selective about the coins that we are investing in, the coins that we are putting on trades for. And that includes Tron. Toncoin, Ton against BTC with all the Telegram bots, sniper bots here and there. Yes, I feel that Toncoin might have something happening. This was the head and shoulders. We've already started a very strong rally back up, although we're still under the skinny pink line, which means that we're still in a bearish trend. You'd be surprised that we could still head all the way back down. But of course, we could just consolidate and continue rising higher. So the moment we take out these highs, this whole thing will switch into a bullish trend. Potentially, but I suspect there will still be consolidation over here. Right, but it's still too early to tell though. We could still head all the way back down, but yeah, whether if this turns into a continuation or into a bearish reversal, we will see. In due time, we will see. Ton against USD. Yeah, I kind of like what I see on Ton against USD because Ton USD is forming something like a squeeze over here, right? Lower highs, higher lows, right? There's a squeeze coming on for Ton. So this is something like an ABCD. Again, not exactly what I would consider as textbook perfect, but there is a very clear resistance line over here. So yeah, again, we're not exactly sure what Ton is going to do. Are we going to consolidate a little bit here, break the resistance line, or are we going to come back all the way towards the downside? Right? Even if you were to come back all the way towards the downside, I would still consider the gigantic squeeze to be intact, right? This could be a gigantic wave C, right? Do you see this? A, B, even if we come back all the way back down, right? This could be a very nice wave C, right? And then we could squeeze and we could break higher in 2024, 2025 maybe. Again, we're not entirely sure. We don't have the information yet to put on a call for Ton, so we're waiting very patiently. DOT against BTC. Here we are for Polkadot. Polkadot continues to drop lower. Weakness for Polkadot. Although this looks like a potential double bullish, right? Lower low on the price, but higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. You see this? Double bullish divergence, but yeah, the bearish trend is still very strong, right? There's still some selling pressure. Although I feel like we're very close to the end. Very, very close to the end, but I can't say for sure. Right? Previously, we got a double bullish divergence over here. Lower low on the price, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. You see this? But we still zip lower, and now we're zipping even lower. So we need a trend of Bitcoin to start turning bullish first. Right? Bitcoin must be the first to start turning bullish, and then only will we be able to kind of go long with confidence on altcoins. Until that happens, yeah, you're gonna be very, very careful. Protect your capital. It's very choppy at the moment. DOT against USD. Yes, so we've already broken the support line. We're expecting more downside. $3.20 is our latest target. We got 330 way back in September, and we're about to hit our 330 target. And then I think we're probably gonna cross $3. That's my guess. $3 because we're $3.20, $3 is a round number. So I think we're gonna cross $3. But yeah, again, this is not an area to be putting on shots for. Right, we're already oversold over here. Not a good idea to be opening shots. I mean, of course, we may not hit targets and we may just start a reversal from here. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens, right? But DOT is still very bearish. We're still under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. Litecoin. Litecoin? No. Polygon MATIC against BTC. MATIC against BTC. Here we are. Very bearish. Do you see this? Head and shoulders. Oh boy. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We've already broken out of it. We're expecting more downside. Oh boy. I think we're probably going to take out these lows eventually. So yeah, be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for MATIC. MATIC is pretty weak against BTC. Although there's already a double bullish divergence. Again, once you see double bullish divergences, right, be very, very careful. Because there may be a strong rally coming on, right? Higher low on the MACD. Higher low or the RSI. You see that? But lower low on the price. It could be a rally. So be very careful. Be very, very careful. MATIC against USDT. Here we are for MATIC. MATIC, we still have our 38 cents target. We're still loyal to our target. Although we see a rally over here previously. We hit the resistance line. And then now we're coming back down. We're still loyal to our 38 cents target. I suspect that we are in the midst of completing a gigantic descending triangle. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. We collapse. I don't know. We may not hit targets, right? We may not hit 38 cents, and we may just start a reversal over here, right? And this whole thing could be a very nice squeeze, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Breakout. $10. Here we come, right? Potentially, but the thing is, we're not entirely sure, so we'll have to wait and see how things go for MATIC, right? We're open to the possibility of MATIC going both ways. Yes, because we're already oversold. And so, yeah, it's not a good idea to open shots when things are already oversold. You open shots when things are not oversold, not when things are oversold. Because there's a strong rally in the cards, and you just don't know when it might happen. It might happen in the next hour, next day, or, you know, a few more days, a week, I don't know. But exactly when, but yeah, I think there's a strong rally. So you got to be very careful. But at the same time, you also can't be going long because you just don't know how much lower it's going to go. There's still some selling pressure. We still have our downside targets. So, yeah, nothing much for us to do except to be patient and to wait for the MATIC whales to do their thing. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. We continue to drop towards the downside. Any clear signs of reversal? Nope. I think we're probably going to take out these lows. I think so. So, yeah, I think we're on our way down. No clear targets for Litecoin BTC. Against USD, yeah, again, no clear targets for USD as well. Feels to me like a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're probably going to take out these lows. I suspect we're probably going to take out these lows. These lows. And also these lows. That's my suspicion. These two lows. So, scary stuff. This is scary stuff, yo. Yeah, be careful, be careful. Yeah, be very, very careful. Shiba Inu, SHIB USDT. Here we are for SHIB. Bro, what's this? We're knocking on the skinny pink line. Knock, 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 knock. Every time we knock, we get slapped down, slapped down, slapped down. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? No. Yeah, no. There's just nothing for us for Shiba Inu. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. Anything for Bitcoin Cash? Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash is really out of the falling channel. Ta-da! We're kind of consolidating above it. The hope is that we stay above the skinny pink line and continue higher. That's the absolute hope that we have for Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Right, many times, not many times, several times where we broke the skinny pink line, slap all the way down, slap all the way down. Could this be another slap? Again, we're not too sure. We're not too sure. Could this time be different? Yeah, it's possible. We would love to see some high quality bullish continuation chart patterns, but again, it's still too early to tell, right? We might take several months to complete it. So again, the hope is that we just stay above the skinny pink line and we don't want to see it come back down. Stay above it, stay above it, stay, consolidate, continue higher. But only time will tell, so we'll proceed with caution. Bitcoin Cash against USD, same thing. We're above the skinny pink line. ABCD. Okay, there's no D. It's a squeeze. Lower highs, higher lows, breakout. There's a dip right now, correction. Again, it's very important that we stay above the skinny pink line to continue the bullish trend, right? The bullish momentum. I don't know if we have it or not, but only time will tell, right? If we were to drop lower, then I guess that's it for Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, again, I can't say for sure at this point of time. So we're gonna have to give further time the space to do its thing. Stellar Lumens, XLM against BTC. Here we are for Stellar Lumens. Okay, Stellar Lumens, falling channel. Are we gonna break out? Not too sure. Could we be heading back under? Yes, of course we could. So what shall we do? Yeah, we have to be patient. Wait for the breakout. Get a retrace. And yeah, maybe over here, you might consider making a move, right? Right now, yeah, it's still very dangerous. We could still come back lower. Right, over here, yeah, we were here. Right, almost breaking out of the resistance, but we got slapped down, right? So you can also argue the same over here. Almost breaking, but you could still get slapped down for Stellar Lumens. So yeah, you have to proceed with caution. Still not certain for Stellar Lumens yet. Again, we're above the skinny pink line. I like this, but we have to stay above the skinny pink line, right? If we form some sort of a, I don't know, rising channel, yeah, I suspect we could still hit back under for Stellar Lumens, right? We could break and take out these lows and all of this as well. There is a danger. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. So we have to take things one step at a time for Stellar Lumens. Being above the skinny pink line is good, but yeah, staying above it is another thing on its own, right? If you were to take 2020 into the picture, right? If we were to look at the past, we broke out of the skinny pink line, retested it, we never came back down. Retested it again, and after that we broke out. But in terms of tradability, yeah, I don't see it here, but you will see it here. This is a very nice inverse head and shoulders breakout, retest. This is where you consider palm breakout, right? Continuation. So what's this? There's nothing for us to work with over here for Stellar Lumens. So yeah, again, we have to take things one step at a time. This was a nice one, but this is we just don't see it yet. We know there's danger over here, right? A bunch of higher lows. So yeah, if Bitcoin does drop lower, it's going to pull Stellar Lumens down together with it. And the next area of support is around 5 cents. We're at 13 cents right now, so it could be brutal though. 13 to 5. Again, we have to take things one step at a time. We don't have much information to work with yet, so there you go. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!